Hey everybody, welcome to Music City Storytime. I hope that you're having a great day today. Well, before we get started, would you click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel? That would be awesome. So let's get started. Today's story is Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth. Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow, his mom says. The tooth fairy will come. Oh, I used to do this when I was a little girl, when I would lose my teeth. Pete puts the tooth under his pillow. He closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. It's the tooth fairy. I'm very busy tonight, she says. I can help, says Pete. Great. She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. How cool is that? Pete's going to help the tooth fairy with his magic wings on. Visit these cool kids, says the tooth fairy. Callie, Alligator, Gus. Just take the tooth and leave a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on the list. There is Callie's lost tooth. Do you see it? It's right there. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Ooh, they doing some snoozing. Waiting on the tooth fairy. Look, Alligator's lost tooth. Careful, it is very sharp. You see it? Right there it is. That is a long, sharp tooth. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Alligator. Gus the platypus is next on the list. Uh-oh. Ooh, I wonder what's wrong. Where is the tooth? The tooth is not here. Pete is looking everywhere. Where is that tooth? The tooth is not there. The tooth is not anywhere. Where is your tooth, Gus? Where is Gus's lost tooth? The lost tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? Nope. He knows what to do. Look, Gus is awake. Where is your tooth, Gus? Pete asks. Platypuses do not have teeth, says Gus. I didn't know that, did you? But I still want to be a part of the tooth fairy. No worries, says Pete. Pete puts the coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you, Gus says. You're welcome, says Pete. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the tooth fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is always cool. Yes, being kind is always cool. That was a cute story. I hope you enjoyed it for the day. And listen, always remember, you are special.